Alright, so finally guys, we are back for another sound test. So you guys have been asking me to do more sound tests here in the channel. So I will do whole slew of sound tests from today. And for this sound test, we're gonna focus on $10 to $20 IEMs. We have the KZ EDC, KZ EDX Pro, and the Moondrop Quarks as well for this sound test. So I will do group sound test of all the IEMs in the certain price ranges here that we have checked out. So maybe the next one would be $100 two driver hybrid sound test. Of course, which one is for you, let me know down in the comments below. And of course, let's start the sound test now.
Make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.